Like that. Oh hell no! Oh hell no! Is the car on?
Hey, do the shit.
Let me see. Damn, bro!
Hey,
bro, I know this nigga wants to
drive. Hey, I know. Yeah, I know this nigga wants to drive.
Let's switch.
This nigga gonna be on fourth gear the whole time.
Fourth gear is good, bro. I always rest my hind here though. You guys are hella comfortable. It's a K1 Speed. What?
We're gonna have to go back home.
Why?
We need this nigga's permission slip signed.
It's okay.
You're getting socked.
Really? Dude, we're actually team.
Wait, are you 17? Oh shit, we might actually have to.
Green team.
Yeah. Oh, no,
Oh shit, white team, black team. I'm like, oh shit, it's recording. I'm about to create a profile, bro. What?
You ready? Bears?
Wait, watch out. You have to do that? Yeah. One day. Oh, motherfucker. Daniel? No GoPro? Alright.
He purchased the $5 camera, but no GoPro's allowed. We have to take it off.
Oh, okay, I'll take the camera.
You want to use one?
Yeah.
They're both racers.
Oh yeah, I'm ready to gap people.
How the fuck do you have yours so small?
How what?
Like tucked in like...
Mine?
Misa looks like a GTA character.
What?
Like he's about to rob a bank type shit.
Aww.
Okay.
Guys, he's about to get gapped. Just know, my time is gonna be under 5 seconds. Set it here first.
What? How was
It's
the last
like
time?
22.
I don't even remember.
You wanna see? You wanna see the results?
But it doesn't even matter because I want to win again.
You have them still? How do you have them?
The email to you.
Wait, that's last time?
My best lap, like 27, 3.56. Let's see if I can.
I gotta be
35.
what? I gotta be 30. What the fuck? I was hella slow.
And Roberto,
Actually, he did beat you. He did beat
27.
you. You have a picture? I know, that's what I'm tripping about.
What the fuck?
That's what I'm tripping about. He actually has a picture.
Who won?
He did.
That's why I saved his picture.
That's funny.
How did you even find it? That's from like fucking 4 years ago.
Oh, it's always there? Dude, I was so bad.
It shows it.
Wait, what did you get?
Wait, does it say how much? 30 seconds?
Nah, my average was 35 and my best lap was 27.
This nigga.
Actually,
You know what it looks like?
what does he look like?
You seen that one episode of SpongeBob, the old lady?
Oh, hell no. Those are the results, boys. I beat Misa. You beat me and Donovan beat me, bro. Roberto, you and Roberto beat me.
No one compares me with this.
I was like, damn. Daniel, I beat fucking you and Donovan beat me. God damn it. Not this next one.
Y'all should look at your last one.
Yasser passed the fuck out of him though.
Yasser, Ramon. Hey, Ramon was like, I feel good about this. I feel like I'm gonna win at us.
I almost did. I just stopped by accident. Nah, in the beginning it's...
Nigga, you're 0.1 away from him.
You should have put roach for a kid.
Hey, what did Misa say right when we got off? Hey, Misa said, y'all got gapped. Why is your name behind me? What the? Hey, my lucky number 8 too.
Really?
Yeah. Hey, You know you're slow when the guy points, let them pass with the flag. That's the, the guy pointing at y'all said, let them pass. I was hoping he did it for me because I was behind you at the last second. You're down, bro. You too, bro. You're crazy. You're crazy. Bruh, you're mad off. Right here when I cut you off. That was nice, huh? Oh shoot. Lisa? Hey, I got the best left time. I beat you guys. I know for a fact.
My car felt hella slower than you.
What? Actually did? Huh? Oh, then not up yet, huh?
Mine felt cool. Mine felt hella slow.
No, mine felt fast.
Mine didn't.
Mine felt fast this time.
Your one was faster.
Really?
Yeah.
I was chilling, bro. Look at the results for the new. Oh, hell yeah. Bro, I went off on that one.
It was me sad.
When you come in and then when I, because I saw that's what the tryhard dude did. With the birds on helmet, he did that. That's why I followed his path. Yeah, a little bit, and it low-key helped because then, because I thought you were going to pass me, but then I went right in front of you. I think the second time it was bad though, because you had a brake, huh? And that one I was too bad on. Or I was kind of late on it, I guess. I don't know. That shit was fun though.
I think Misa wants to go look for.
Misa's definitely mad because he fucking came in last this time, boys.
And look at the hand sanitizer, smells like.
Check it out. I don't know, but it smells weird.
I know, me too.
That shit was fun though. That shit was fun, bro. Yeah, I came back the second. I came back the second. Misa, I have your stuff right here. What? Alright, let me go put it back. That was fun race? Oh yeah. In the second race, Dude, Yasin beat you, dude. And you were talking shit about Yasin last race too.
Because I got a slow car, that's why.
I did
even this nigga's car was faster, bro.
Fuck, I even had the fucking video.
I did whatever it took to win.
Oh.
Oh yeah, we do have the video. We just gotta see this guy kill me.
No, I know I did. Because you were in my way.
Oh, you hit him?
Yeah. Because he was in front of me. I was getting mad. I was like, ugh. And then he just went out. And I was all happy because I got in front of everybody.
Except the...
We were going in sync though. That was sick. We were
No, we were. Nah, that's gonna be a cool part for the video. Hey, wait, we're gonna go eat.
Yeah,
I'm not hungry. I'm just gonna get like a snack from wherever.
I can fucking beat his ass.
We'll see. Wait, I'm gonna pull up to your window. Oh. That shit was fun though. That second one was way better. I think we got better cars. Or that nigga just turned it up.
We were faster.
Yeah.
It felt fast. No, my first car felt hella fast. The second one I felt slow. You like goth bitches?
Nah, I mean Gwen from fucking Total Drama Island.
That's about it, Gwen?
Yeah. Nah, so they can look cute, but like I wouldn't.
Danny Phantom. I would feel
weird like walking around with a bitch that be dressed, you know, crazy, you know.
You know, and Danny Phantom?
Yeah.
The green bitch? I like that bitch.
You know which bitch I like? Miss Pauline.
Who's that?
From Team Fortress 2.
I don't know. I don't play Team Fortress.
She's baddie. Oh hell no. Misa sent a friendly reminder. Don't forget to turn on the camera.
I know. I saw that. I was like, bruh.
If y'all don't pick a place, I'ma just fucking start eating these waters.
Fuck, I don't know.
That's why Denny's or IHOP, it has random shit. But if you're not feeling it, somewhere else.
Oh my
Olive
god,
Garden.
niñas.
Nah, I don't want to go there. I've never been there. But they don't have no like cool like snacks.
Cool?
Alright, let's go to the Corona place.
Cucumbers.
I'll just get like a horchata or something.
I just want to drink.
I'll get like a taco or something. Corona then? Alright, let's go. Search up Sunki. You don't know where it's at? Alright, just follow me.
Where are we going?
The Corona place.
Hey, but why was that skinny ass nigga so fast?
That was pretty close. Yeah.
Scrawny ass nigga over there.
Just follow me. Nah, he's good though, but like.
No, that skinny ass dude was hella annoying. Hella fast for what? See it going hella fucking fast.
Yeah.